गोप्यौवाच मधुपाकिथव बन्धो मा स्पृशाङ्घ्रिं सपत्न्याः कुचविलुलितमाला कुङ्कुमश्मश्रुभिर्नः वहतु मधुपतिस्तन् मानिनीनां प्रसादं यतु सदसि विडम्ब्यं यस्य दूतस्त्वमीदृक् सकृदधरसुधां स्वां मोहिनीं पाययित्वा सुमनसैव सद्यः तत्यजेस्मान् भवादृक् परिचरति कथं तत् पादपद्मं तु पद्मा ह्यपिबतर्तचेता ह्युत्तमश्लोकजल्पैः किमिह बहुषडङ्ग्रे गायसि त्वं यदूनाम् अधिपतिमगृहाणाम् अग्रतो नः पुराणम् विजयसखसखीनां गीयतां तत्प्रसङ्गः क्षपितकुचरुजस्ते कल्पयन्तिष्ठमिष्टाः दिवि भुवि चरसायां का स्त्रियस्तद्दुरापाः कपटरुचिरहास भ्रूविजृम्भस्य या स्युः चरणरज उपास्ते यस्य भूतिर्वयं का अपि च कृपणपक्षे ह्युत्तमश्लोकशब्दाः विसृज शिरसि पादं वेद्म्यहं चाटुकारैः अनुनय विदुषस्ते भेत्यदौत्यैर्मुकुन्दात् स्वकृतैः विसृष्टा पत्यपत्यन्यलोका व्यसृजदकृतचेता किं नु सन्देयम् अस्मिन् मृगयुरिव कपीन्द्रं विव्यदे लुब्धधर्मा स्त्रियमकृतविरूपां स्त्रीजितः कामयानां बलिमपि बलिमत्वा वेष्टयत्वांशवत्यः तदलमसितसख्यै दुस्त्यजस्तत् कथार्थः यदनुचरितलीला कर्णपीयूषविप्लुटे सकृदधनविधूता द्वन्द्वधर्मा विनष्टाः सपदि गृहकुटुम्बं दीनमुत्सृज्य दीना बहवैः विहङ्गा भिक्षुचर्यां चरन्ति वयमृतमिव जिह्मा व्याहृतं श्रद्धधानाः कुलिकरुथमिवाज्ञा कृष्णवध्वो हरिण्यः तदृशुरसकृदे तत् तन्नखस्पर्शतीव्र स्मररुज उपमन्त्रिन् भन्यताम् अन्यवार्ता प्रियसख पुनरागा प्रेयसा प्रेषितः किं वरय किमनुरुन्धे माननीयोऽसि मेघा नयसि कथमिहास्मान् दुस्त्यजद्वन्द्वपार्श्वं सततमुरसि सौम्या श्रीर्वधू साकमास्ते अपि बत मधुपुर्याम् आर्यपुत्रोऽधुनास्ते स्मरति स पितृगेहान् सौम्यबन्धुंश्च गोपान् क्वचिदपि स कथानः किङ्करीणां गृणीते भुजमगुरुसुगन्धं मूर्ध्न्यधास्यत् कदा नु। श्रीमद् भागवतं दशमस्कन्दं chapter 47 Brahmara Geetam. The gopi speaks to the bee. Krishna was living in Mathura, and the gopis of Vraja longed for him, remembering his flute, his smile, and his pastimes. To comfort them, Krishna sent his close friend Uddhava. When the gopis saw Uddhava's yellow garments and lotus-like eyes, they immediately thought of Krishna and eagerly listened to his message. In the depth of separation, Srimati Radharani spoke to the bee. Just as bees wander from flower to flower, Krishna has left the girls of Vraja and now shows affection elsewhere. Uddhava conveyed Krishna's assurance, "You are most dear to me. I left only to deepen your love. By remembering me, you will soon be united with me." The gopis asked if Krishna was happy in Mathura and whether he remembered the rasa dance and their pastimes. Uddhava admired their devotion, saying he would consider himself blessed even to be a plant touched by the dust of their feet. Gopyovacha madhupakithava bandho ma sprishangrim sapatnyaha kuchavilulita-mala कुङ्कुमश्मश्रुभिर्नः वहतु मधुपतिस्तन् मानिनीनां प्रसादं यदु सदसि विडम्ब्यं यस्य दूतस्त्वमीदृक्. O honeybee, do not touch my feet with your whiskers. They carry the kunkuma powder from Krishna's garland shared in Mathura. Let Krishna bring joy to the women of Mathura. If he sends a messenger like you, the Yadus will question such a messenger in their gathering. Sakridadhara sudham swam mohinim payayitva sumanasaiva sadhyaha tatyajisman भवादृक् परिचरति कथं तत् पादपद्मं तु पद्मा ह्यपिबत हृतचेता उत्तमश्लोकजल्पैः. Krishna gave us a moment of closeness and then left us. He abandoned us just like someone who picks a flower and throws it away. So why does Goddess Lakshmi still serve his feet with such love? Maybe even she was carried away by his sweet and clever words. Kimiha bahushadangre gayasi tvam yadunam adipatimagrahanam agratona puranam vijaya sakha sakhinam गीयतां तत्प्रसङ्गः क्षपितकुचरुजस्ते कल्पयन्तिष्टमिष्टाः. O bee, why do you keep singing here about Krishna, the Lord of the Yadus, before us who long for him? We have heard these stories before. They are not new to us. Better you go and sing about Arjuna's friend to his new companions, the ones whose hearts he has comforted. They might give you the gifts you are looking for. Devi bhuvi charasayam kastriyastadurapaha kapataruchirahasa bruvijrambhasya yasyuhu charanaraja upaste yasya bhutirvayam ka api cha kripana pakshe Hyuttama shloka shabdaha. In heaven, on earth, or even below the earth, what woman is beyond Krishna's reach? With just a smile and the lift of his eyebrows, he wins them all. Even the great goddess bows to the dust of his feet. So what are we compared to her? Still, even the unworthy can call out his name Uttama Shloka. विसृज शिरसि पादं वेद्म्यहं चाटुकारैः अनुनय विदुषस्ते भेद्यदौत्यैर्मुकुन्दात् स्वकृतैः विसृष्टा पत्यपत्यन्यलोका व्यसृजदकृतचेता किं नु सन्देयम् अस्मिन्. The gopi spoke to the bee, "Keep your head away from our feet. We know your clever words. You have learned them from Krishna himself. But he left behind those who gave up children, husband, and family for him. He turned away from us. Why should we make peace with him now?" Mrigayuriva kapindram Vivyadhe lubdadharma Striyamakruta virupam Strijita kamayanam Balimapi balimatva Vishtayadvangshavatyaha Tadalamasita sakhye Dustyajastat kathartaha. Sometimes Krishna acts in ways that seem hard to understand. Long ago, when he was born as Lord Rama, he shot the monkey king Vali from behind a tree like a hunter hiding in the forest. As a warrior, he should have fought Vali face to face. Then because he was so attached to Sita, he changed the appearance of Shurpanaka, who came to him with romantic desires. Before that, when he appeared as Vamana Deva, he accepted all the gifts of Bali Maharaja, who was very generous. But even after taking everything, he tied Bali up and sent him to the lower planets. So we know Krishna sometimes acts in surprising and seemingly puzzling ways. That is why we say, let us give up being his friends. But the problem is this: even if we try to stop thinking about him, we cannot stop talking about him. He never leaves our minds. Yadanucharita leela karnapiyusha viprata sakridadhana vidhuta dvandva dharma vinashtaha sapadi griha kutumbam deenamutsricya deena bahavaiha vihanga bhikshucharyam charanti. Hearing about Krishna's daily pastimes is like sweet nectar for the ears. Even one drop of this nectar can break a person's attachment to the material idea of mine and yours, such as my home, your country, or my family. In truth, everything belongs to one supreme reality, Krishna, whose beauty and happiness are unlimited. When people truly hear about him, their attraction to material life disappears. Many such people have left their troubled homes and families and have come to Vrindavana, where they wander freely like birds, begging for their livelihood and thinking only of Krishna. Vayamrithamiva jihma vyahritam shraddhadhanaha kulikaruthamivaagya Krishna vadvo हरिण्यः ददृशुरसकृदेतत् तन्न कस्पर्शतीव्रा स्मररुज उपमन्त्रिन् भन्यताम् अन्यवार्ता. Believing Krishna's playful and tricky words, we became like the unaware wives of the black deer who trust the dangerous hunter's sweet song. Because of this, we again and again felt the deep pain of longing for him, as if touched by his sharp nails. O messenger, please speak about something other than Krishna. Priya sakha punaraga preyasa preshitah kim varaya kimanurundhe mananiyosi menga nayasi kathamihasman दुस्त्यजत्वन्द्वपार्श्वं सततमुरसि सौम्या श्रीर्वधू साकमास्ते. In the depth of Viraha Bhava, Radharani spoke to the bee, O friend of my beloved, has he sent you here again? I should honor you, so please accept whatever boon you desire. But why have you come to take us to him, whose love is so hard to leave? After all, gentle bee, his consort, the goddess Shri, is always with him, dwelling near his heart. Apibata madhupuryam aryaputro dhunaste smarati sapitrigehan saumya bandhumscha gopan क्वचिदपि सकथानः किङ्करीणां गृणीते भुजमगुरुसुगन्धं मूर्ध्न्यधास्यत् kada nu. O Uddhava, it makes us sad that Krishna now lives in Mathura. Does he remember the home of his father Nanda Maharaja and his friends the cowherd boys? O noble one, does he ever speak about us, his maidservants? When will he place his aguru-centered hand on our heads again? Gopika Jeevana Smaranam Govinda Govinda.